I had so much pain in my right hip for 5 years that it got to the point that I couldn't work. I thought it was an injury that wouldn't heal, so I kept going. I was so afraid of surgery that I asked the doctors here at Jewett if I could do physical therapy first to try to build up the muscles in this leg and lessen the pain, and they said of course, and I did, and I worked as hard as I could, but I still had pain. Very anxious about doing an elective surgery. Why am I doing this? I met with Dr. Hurbanis. He's an amazing surgeon and person. I met with him and he told me about Makoplasty. I went in for the surgery with Dr. Hurbanis. I could walk that very day. It was amazing, incredulous, but the best word to describe my whole experience with replacing my sore hip is easy. It was so easy. When I got out of the bed the first time, the nurses, I loved the nurses. I loved my experience. When I woke up from the surgery, I had no pain for the first time I'm gonna cry. For the first time in so many years, I was so happy. And for me personally, I got my life back. I could teach again. I can't say enough about how grateful I am to Dr. Hurbanis and everybody that helped.